Welcome. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to send a photo to a friend on Snapchat using the latest app update. Whether you're sharing a moment or just snapping something fun, this process is super simple once you know where to tap. Let's get started. First, open your Snapchat app. Once you're on the main camera screen, look at the top left corner and tap on your Bitmoji or profile icon. This will take you to your profile page where you can manage your account and access your friends list. Next, tap on My Friends. Here you'll see a list of all the people you're connected with on Snapchat. Scroll through or quickly find the friend you want to send a photo to. Once you find their name, tap on it. This will open up your chat with that friend. Now you're inside the conversation, ready to send something. At the bottom of the screen, you'll notice a few icons. Tap on the gallery icon, which looks like a small picture or image symbol. This will open your camera roll or gallery where all your saved photos are stored. Now simply choose the photo you want to send. You can preview it, and if you like, you can even add text, stickers, or edits before sending. When you're ready, hit the send button.